Welcome to Around the House with Becky. Today, I'd like to help you out with something that was confusing to me. I went to my studio. I was going to add languages to my subtitles, and I couldn't find the subtitles button. I looked over here on the left-hand side of my dashboard, and there was no subtitles button. I said, how am I supposed to add subtitles? So what you want to do is click on content, and that brings your videos up over here. Now, first of all, you have to have English subtitles inputted to begin with, and that I'm assuming you know how to do. If you don't know how to add English subtitles to your video, you can look that up in another video. But once you have your English subtitles in place, to add your foreign subtitles, you're going to come over here in the left hand column. You're going to click on languages. And then you're going to click, just like before, you're going to click on the video that you want to add a language to. And over here, you're going to click on Add Language. You're going to choose the language that you want to add. We're going to add Bangla. So we're going to, it looks blank, and this is what's confusing to many people. They're wondering, well, where do I go to add a language? You have to scroll down, and it's down here. You're going to click on Manual Subtitles. And again, it looks weird because you can't see the auto translate. You have to scroll down, and you're going to click on auto translate, and there you have your Bangla. Then you're going to click on publish, and there it just published your Bangla translation. Okay, I'll do one more just so you can see. Again, to add a language, you're just going to click on Add Language. You're going to pick a language over here. This time we'll pick Belarusian. You're going to scroll down to Manual Subtitles. You're going to click Add. You have to scroll down again, and you're going to click on Auto Translate, and then click Publish. And that will publish your subtitle in that language. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I will obviously answer any questions to the best of my ability. I am not a professional. I'm just an average small YouTuber just like you. But thanks for popping in, and I hope this helped, because this was very frustrating to me when I went and looked. It took me some time to figure it out.